Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Kenny Doonan, aka Kenny from Doonan Tax Services, also known as Mitchell and Doonan, where we also service insurance needs as well as many other things. What I wanted to really gear this channel around is how to answer letters and what to look for when you're receiving letters from New York State and the IRS, because I see so many accountants online and they do such a good job at explaining and detailing and articulating what tax terms are or what certain things are in tax. But I see this void for so many people that are receiving notices and don't know how to answer them, and they don't know what to do, and their accountant is not around or not available to assist them, to even tell them what they are or how to respond to them. And getting through the IRS now has been a nightmare since the pandemic has started, because let's face it, they are just understaffed and they don't have the manpower to handle all that they are taking on. They had to get in charge of the stimulus, and they were put in charge of sending millions of people the stimulus checks. They were in charge of sending millions of people the advanced child tax credits. Meanwhile, they were backed up with regular work since the first government shutdown in 2019. So it's not really their fault either. And it's just kind of snowballed and turned into this colossal mess of people being stuck with these notices, which half of them have mistakes in them. So I really feel like it's so important to reach out and speak to people that are not just located here in the Bronx or the tri-state area, but all over the 50 states, and anyone that could use this help. I really wanted to do this just as a service, not just to my clients, but to people that are lost in answering these letters. Let's just face it, people are lost. So I'm gonna try to explain how to answer some of these letters that you're getting from the IRS and getting from New York State, because New York State has sent out more audits than they ever have in the past. It seems like over the past 5 years, it's gotten progressively worse, and they increased the number of audits that they're sending to people, because they're all realizing that we're saving money by sending people requests for proof, because people either don't have them, or they don't know how to answer them, or their accountants are not available to help them answer them. So I hope I can be of assistance with that. I hope I could be assistance of answering many of these IRS notices that have sent out to millions of people. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email us. Please feel free to just leave a comment. We'll try to answer as many simple things as we can, without getting too crazy into too much details about specifics of your return. If it's a general question, we'd love to answer it for free. If it's something that's more in detail, then you could email us, and then we could talk further about your specific situation there. But really, this is just a generalized video service that I want to do for people, because like I said, I see just across online people explaining what things are to people, and there's all these helpful videos which I even use from time to time if I want to double check something, or if I want to check up on a new update. So many accountants do a great job with it. And you know, we're gonna have some professional videos that I'm gonna try and do, and other videos are just gonna be like this. I could be walking through the street of the Bronx and just talking to you and being personable with you, because that's really how I've tried to build my own business, is looking people in the eye to eye and just making that personal connection with them, rather than, hey, just email me all your documents and then I spit back a return and then you pay me and then that's over, and you barely don't even know your accountant. You just know his name and that's about it. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna try and upload things based off what I've seen, and hopefully I can help you. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to ask, but also please hit like on the videos. They help the algorithms and help other people see these videos that may be searching for answers to these questions. And also hit subscribe if you enjoy the channel, because as new things develop, which they have every tax year since the Trump tax plan, it seems like there's new changes every year. So we will try to keep you up to date on those, and we will try to help you out as things unfold. Thanks so much, guys. We really appreciate it, and I appreciate your time as always, and have a great day, and God bless.